let us solve for integers m and n that will satisfy the equation m squared minus n squared is equal to 17. Remember that this is just a single equation with two different unknowns, which is also called the Diophantine equation, right? Now, let us start the solution. From the left-hand side, we have m squared minus n squared, which can be factorized, recalling the difference of two squares as m plus n multiplied by m minus n, which is equal to 17. Now, we can factor 17 as 17 times 1, and also as negative 17 times negative 1. Now, here we're going to compare the following. So here we're going to have the first, we have m plus n multiplied by m minus n is equal to 17 times 1, right? So here we know m plus n for integers is greater than m minus n for these positive integers. So here m plus n is going to be equal to 17, while m minus n is going to be equal to 1. We're going to use the elimination method to solve this problem. So if you add both equations, m plus m is 2m, plus m plus negative m is 0, right? So this is equal to 17 plus 1 is give us 18. So divide both sides by 2, m is equal to 9. Now, if you substitute the value of m in equation 1, we get n will be 17 minus m, right? Which will be 17 minus 9, giving us 8. So we have our positive solutions. Then, second case is where we have m plus n multiplied by m minus n is equal to negative 17 times negative 1. Okay. So here, m plus n must be greater than m minus n. Is that true? Let us find out if this is true. Let's say m is equal to negative 1. Let's say n is equal to negative 2. So if you add the both of them, we get m plus n will be negative 1, right? Plus negative 2, which is negative 2, which will give us negative 3. But when you have m minus n, will give us negative 1 minus 2, giving us 1. Oh my God. So for negative integers, m plus n is less than m minus n. Okay, so here with this fact, then m plus n is going to be equal to negative 17, because negative 17 is less than negative 1, and m minus n is going to be equal to negative 1. Okay, so add both equations to eliminate n, we get 2m is equal to negative 18. So here, divide both sides by 2, m is equal to negative 9. For equation 1, substitute the value of m as negative 9 here. So n is going to be negative 17 plus 9, giving us negative 8. Right? So here we have our solutions. So mn is equal to 9, 8, and also negative 9, oh my God, what am I writing to this? So negative 8. So here we have our solutions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe. Also like, comment, and share.